Welcome to the Majestic Princess, where sweet guests can enjoy an exclusive VIP experience in the Concierge Lounge. Let's take a look at what awaits you inside. As you step into the lounge, you immediately feel a sense of luxury and elegance. A beautifully designed space offers a tranquil sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of the ship. Comfortable seating is provided for the perfect spot to relax and unwind. Whether you want to enjoy a cup of coffee, read a book, or simply relax and chat with your host or other sweet guests, this lounge has it all. The dedicated concierge staff is at your service, ready to assist with any requests or inquiries you may have. From booking dining reservations, organizing shore excursions, making plans for production shows, resolving issues, or providing a private escort off to a priority water tender at ports, they are here to make your cruise experience seamless and unforgettable. But it doesn't stop there. The Concierge Lounge also offers exclusive perks and amenities for sweet guests. Indulge in a delectable spread of complimentary breakfast and afternoon canapes, specially prepared by the ship's talented chefs. From fresh fruits to savory bites, every palate will be delighted. Do you want to make your own espresso? Yes, there is an automatic espresso machine in the lounge. Your host will stock the lounge with whatever you ask within their power. Looking to socialize? The lounge hosts special events and cocktail parties exclusive for sweet guests. It's the perfect opportunity to mingle with fellow travelers, share stories, and create lasting memories. So when you choose to stay in a suite on board the Majestic Princess or any of the royal class ships including Enchanted, Discovery, Sky, Regal, or Royal, you'll not only enjoy a spacious and luxurious accommodation, but also gain access to the Concierge Lounge, a haven of exclusivity and personalized service. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Majestic Princess Concierge Lounge. We hope you enjoyed getting a glimpse into the VIP experience available to sweet guests. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Happy cruising!